Hi guys, it's Ian at Global Air Supplies. We've got a relaunch of a product from Plant Magic called Pure Clean. What Pure Clean does, it breaks down all those builds up of salt in the pipework, in the drippers, around the pots and in the growing medium. Every time you feed, it will break down the salts and flush them away. So you won't get any blocked drippers and you won't get any blocked pipe. With the amount of salts you put through, I would use Pure Clean on every single feed. So every time I fill my tank, I'd add 0.5 to 1 mil per litre, and that will make sure there is no build-up of salts at all. If you've got an old system what's been used multiple times, be careful when using Pure Clean, because what it will do, it'll grab all that calcium, all that salt, it'll grab it all and flush it through, and if there's a massive amount of it, you could cause yourself more problems. So personally, I would use it with brand new systems, and if you're going to use it on an old system, make sure you flush it through, clean it, check everything, and then you're up and running. It's really, really powerful stuff. Like you say, you only need 0.5 to 1 mil per litre. Fill your tank up every time and add this into your regime. No more blocked pipes. Cheers, guys.